Zimbabwe's leading advocate, Thabani Mpofu, has launched a blistering attack on ZANU-PF, accusing the ruling party of attempting to sneak in an entirely new constitution without the people's consent. Mpofu says this is not a lawful amendment process, but a dangerous constitutional ambush, one that bypasses public participation in a national referendum. Constitutional coup. Top lawyer accuses ZANU-PF of plotting illegal power grab. That was subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Tibina Mnangagwa Mchinzi, he argues that a constitution belongs to the people, not to one political party acting alone. Parliament, Mpofu insists, only has authority to pass ordinary laws, not to replace the supreme law of the land. He adds that ZANU-PF is governing on a disputed 2023 election mandate and failed to secure the 2/3 majority needed for such sweeping changes. In a stinging rebuke, Mpofu points out that the minister driving the process even lost his own party's internal elections, stripping him of moral authority. Fundamental constitutional change, he says, demands broad national consensus, not partisan maneuvers carried out without people's consent. Thomas Kwanbranyo kwa pangwa ine muri Zimbabwe kuchonuka kunzi aiwa pangwa ine kuri kuno kunzi cabinet aiwa ni government ya President Mnangagwa yakanganisa zvakanyanya yoita inonzi a constitutional coup. Pangwa ine vachida kuamenda the constitution without the consent of the citizens vachita ma-interests avo. Pinda comment section medu dzafundo enyu moti kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.